Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your iPhone 6s on the latest version for this phone. So let's get started. So before you can download and install apps, you need to make sure you're connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, once you're connected to the internet, you're going to make your way over to the App Store. Now in the App Store here, you're going to see a profile. You're going to tap on that profile up here and verify that you're signed into your Apple account. If you're not, go ahead and sign into existing one or create one for free, but you will need an Apple account in order to download and install any apps. Now, once you're signed in to your Apple account, you're going to go to the search page here, and this is where you can search for an app or you can browse for an app. So we're going to go into the search bar here, and let's go ahead and search up app. Maybe I want to download TikTok, right? So I'll search it up, and then I'll see here, I can click on it to get more information. And then I click on get here and it will ask me to install. I'm going to go install and it's going to ask for your Apple ID password or Touch ID verification. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Apple ID password now. You can go ahead and click on sign in and you see a check mark and you see it spinning. It's starting to download here. So we're going to wait for it to download for us here. And we can exit out of the App Store here. As you see here, we can click on the home button and then see it on one of the screens here that it is downloading, and then it will also install at the same time. If you don't see it in any of this main screen, it might be on the very last page under the app library where it says recently added. You can search for that app here if it's installed on your phone, or you can just wait and see it pop up on your home screen once it finishes downloading. Should generally take 30 seconds to a minute to download and install. So we're going to wait for it to install here. And once it is ungrayed out, that means it has successfully downloaded and installed. So as you can see here, it's good to go and I can see it ready to go. So that's how you download and install apps on your iPhone 6s. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.